Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about another topic of the violation. Uh, my video is specially for the UK market sellers. There are many sellers which are selling in UK market and facing this same violation. So let's go to the screen. First of all, we will click on the shop health. After clicking on the shop health, we will go on the option of the violation records. We can see all kind of the violations here, but our main violation is this one. On this violation we got 8 points. TikTok minus the 8 points from our shop health. So this is very dangerous for the shop. Also we can see that TikTok also frees our product. So due to the violation they charge us 8 points and freeze our list. So we need to check it. What's the reason why TikTok charges 8 points and freeze our product? We will click on the view details. When we will click, after clicking on the view details, you can see here the all details of the violation. Basically the main reason is the design. The seller, another sellers who is selling on the TikTok shop, he is claiming that this is my product, the design is the same, I am the original and real owner of this item, not you, so you cannot sell this. That's why TikTok charges violation. Brand owner name is Kambar Raza, and his LTD is registered on the name of Bozims Limited, and the IP registration is 644244. So basically these are the all details of the brand owner, this brand owner. Basically these are all details of a brand owner, and the brand owner is claiming that this is my product, not your product, so you cannot sell this without my permission. Okay, so let's click on the appeal and see what we need to submit for getting rid of this violation. So let's click on the second option. You can choose even the one option, no problem, but I give preference to second one. After clicking on the second option, you can see here a very important message. This is the core message for making a successful appeal. You must read it again and again and remember it in your mind. First of all, if we have a trademark, we will submit this trademark with the product images. Okay, but if we don't have a trademark, then we will submit letter of authorization. The letter of authorization holds the resellers. The mostly resellers have a letter of authorization. If they want to sell a brand item, they hold letter of authorization. With the letter of authorization you cannot sell any brand item. Okay, so it's compulsory. First one is trademark. Definitely this is a brand item, so you need a trademark. If you don't have a trademark, then definitely you are a reseller. So for reseller you need letter of authorization. So letter of authorization is the most important for making a successful appeal. So basically we need three things. One, letter of authorization. Second, the invoice, because we bought this item from a brand, so we need original invoice from the brand owner. Okay, and third, we need product images from all sides, front, back, left and right. The images should be good quality, all text and images can be readable, so no picture should be blurry or damaged. We need good quality pictures. So basically these are the main points for making a successful appeal. If you have all these three things, letter of authorization, invoice and product images, they will restore your list, one thing, and also they will restore the 8 points which were removed from your shop. So thanks for watching my video.